Hi guys. On Wednesday morning, 26th November, just got into a trade running at a profit, or rather say on a negative of 300 rupees. Just entered the trade. Market was weak, but then bounced like crazy. And let's see. It has broken the resistance. I'm expecting a move onto the upside. We never know how the market is going to react. So let us hope for the best. This is going to be a major resistance level around here. So if market breaks that, we can expect a good bounce. Let's see. And this is going to be one hurdle. So as you can always see, this is my profit amount, which is at running at 75 rupees, 30 rupees. Just enter it here. So what do you expect? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lovely day, lovely morning. You wake up to trade and make money, make profits. If you make profits, it's a good day. If you don't make profit, you still strive to make profits. And that's how life is, as simple and humble as it can get. Let's see if the market has got strength. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Market is sustaining on the top level. I'm looking for a slight bounce, and it'll be good. Minus 200. There is strength in the market. So this is a risky trade, but then just didn't want. Sometimes where you take an opportunity, you take a trade because you don't want to lose an opportunity. So that's why I've taken this trade. If it doesn't go in my direction, I'll take my stop loss of probably around 1500 to bucks or some stuff. And I will exit, and later I will trade. But ideally the market should go up, but then the market has already been stretched, so it will not give opportunity for others to enter here. So that is why I've taken a risky trade. Let's see how it goes. It's given two closings above the resistance level. Oh, 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 oh. And if I get profit in this trade within no time, that'll be beautiful. As I'm saying, trading shouldn't take much time. It should be very fast. As a trader, my main aim is to just go, steal the money, and come back. It's like how a thief enters a house or anywhere and they take whatever they get and come. So if I get into a trade, I need 5,000 bucks per day. As of now, I'm happy with 5,000. Even if I don't make money, it's not a big problem for me, as far as I'm learning, because money will come with the expertise that you get. Money is sure shot a byproduct, and you will definitely make money. So if I've known traders, like normally people who stick onto trading, right? So they tend to make a lot of money. So I think I can add one position. Reject it. Okay, now this is, I tried to add one more. I didn't. So my running profit of around 1,700 rupees. That's a good thing. So why I did, I'll explain the trade, why I happened to take the trade. But yeah, Let's complete this. Let's let the trade get over. Then I'll brief about why I entered the trade. So let's see where are the resistances, still where the market can go up. I think market should go up, not a problem. Where's my price chart? This is going to be the first hurdle. This is going to be the second hurdle. Okay, price is not moving. That is something which is bad. Yeah. Now the market is a little. Look, I'm not getting the high, price momentum as I wanted. But let's see. I think it should go up. And this trade would have taken hardly around uh, 8 minutes or so for making this 1,400. And it's a good spike. But I'm expecting the way the candle has gone, I think it should still further go up. Let's see. 1,800 rupees profit, 1,900, 2,000. That's a good move actually. Wow, 2,600, 3,000 rupees. This is insane. 3,100. And as always, I'm not taking shower. I've just entered the trade. I've just had my cup of coffee. Life is beautiful. And now the price has come down to 2,800, but that's okay. So now what happens is people who would have thought that the market will come down from here, they are now scared. So now they will exit. That's when the market goes up. So everything is based on a setup and a game plan. A profit of 3,200. 3, 3, 3, 4. That's a very good move, to be really honest. And this is not expected. Normally, the market is in a very negative sentiment. The global cues, the global market is bad, and still Nifty is going up, and we are trading along with Nifty and making money. They just touched 4,000 rupees, which is awesome. One more small spike, and think I should be good with my trade. This is a lovely candle. And what is the date? 26 November. Crazy. Crazy paisy. So this is going to be one resistance level, and this is going to be the second resistance level. Let me mark it. This is the key zone. Will market face a rejection from here? Is the question. 3,900 is the current profit. You can see this amount, and it was a very good trade. If it kicks off the other guys, oh god, it has come down. That is the beauty of trading. And trading is not only about making money. So you saw it went to 4,000 rupees, and it has come to 2,500, 2,800. You need to have the guts to hold it on. There are days when I've entered, made 5,000, and it has come down to negative, and from there it has gone to 5,000. Again, those videos are on my YouTube channel. You can definitely watch it, but that is what you need to have, that kind of a mindset wherein profit loss or money should not matter. If money mattered, the moment it went to 4,000, I would have exited the trade. No, you get 5,000, or you're okay to not make money. So again, that being said, this doesn't mean that I always look. It's not that, say, for example, if I see the market is weak, I would be even happy with 4,000 rupees if it's not going in my direction. So that is a informed decision that you need to take. Market is acting a little bit tricky. There is a resistance that I've marked here. That's why the price has come down. So the profits have come down to 2,500. And this is the beauty of trading is you can just sit in front of your system, blabber some crap, and have fun. This is total fun to sit and see the candles or the chart and predict. And whether you make money or not, it's secondary. You just need that kick of trading. That is what is the beauty of it, which keeps you alive, which keeps you focused, which keeps you craving to better yourself, master the art. The more time you spend in front of the system, that is the more you learn. That is how I learned trading. Nobody can teach you trading. You sit, practice, make mistakes, do all the possible mistakes. That is how you learn. That is how I learned. And let's see. Crazy, isn't it? 2,200 is the profit. I was at 4,000 bucks. Remember? Will it drop down? I doubt it should drop down. The market has given a great rally today. See, the last 2 years, the market has been really underperforming. All the markets, the US market, the Chinese market, Japan has done well, euros have done well, the gold is going up like crazy, but the Indian stock market is not performing as expected. So now it is the time for it to perform. And you would see in the next 1 year, the market is going to get into a rally and people are going to make a lot of money if they are in the stock market, obviously, and they know what they're doing, which I know. Crazy, isn't it? Okay, let's see. Profits of around 1,500. It's coming down. Will I feel bad after making 4,000 rupees if I'm not getting any profits? No. If I don't make profit today morning, I will take another trade a little bit later and make my profits. And if not today, tomorrow. If not tomorrow, day after. Because the market is not going anywhere. I see a crazy rejection from top. This is what is this is what happens in the market, and this is how you train your mind to be calm even when you're making money or you're losing money. So your focus is on your trade. Money is a byproduct. Never think of money. Even in life, you never chase money. You go with your skills, improve your skills, money will fly. Running at a profit of around, why is this like this, brother? Still at 1,000 rupees. I feel bad, but it's okay. When I started, I used to take profits of around 200 rupees, 300 rupees. The moment I see 200 rupees, I used to exit my trade, and I was never able to make money. And you have to be mentally very strong, very tough, and takes right decisions at the right time. Profits down to 500 rupees from 4,000 rupees. So I saw 4,000 rupees of made from BB and entity. Okay. Waiting for a good bounce. Beauty of the stock market. Woohoo. Slight strength has been showcased. We don't know whether the market will still go up or not. It has already given a rally. I'm just replying to some messages. Good future. Mm, Status. Meal. जरा जरा बहकता है. See, I know this guy is calling. If I, when I call you. Crazy. What's happening? Market is still sustaining unless it drops with massive. Oh God. Oh, you want to say how I actually? So this is how I normally shoot the videos. So this is my setup, and this is where I check my trades. So this is what the price is. This is the profit of around 2,000 bucks. This is me doing the live stream. Bounce. Profit back to 1,800. So I was at a profit of around 4K, 4,000 bucks. It's come down to, it came down to 500 bucks and now it's just going up. Expecting a good bounce. Hey Amit, just a private channel. I'm just tracking my trades. I don't give any call tips, nothing. It's just my trades that I'm taking. I am just trading, and I used to record on my phone and my what do you say, on my laptop. But then it takes a lot of space, and you need to save it, transfer. So instead of that, मैंने क्या किया, मैंने ये सब YouTube लाइव करके मैं शेयर करता हूँ, और it gets saved on my YouTube account. So this is just क्या बोलते हैं, just मेरे खुद के जर्नलिंग के लिए, ट्रैकिंग के लिए, सो दैट लेटर आई कैन नो, राइट, कि हाउ डिड माय ट्रेड गोज, what mistakes I have done. So that's the only thing. So I have not shared this channel with anybody, just for me. uh, uh, Not sure how you got the link, but yeah, nice to have you here. बकवास करता हूँ यार मैं, लाइक लिटरली इस चैनल पे बस नॉनसेंस बात करता हूँ, माय गोल्स एंड एस्पिरेशन, वो सब, और कुछ नहीं है. In case if you want to discuss on this, you can reach out to me, not a problem. profits back to 2,400 bucks. So, Amit, for investment, the only advice is pick companies which are doing good. Uh, pitch, pick companies whose growth, sales growth, is at a higher range. Your portfolio should always have multi-bangers. Like, you can't identify multi-bangers, but what you can do is pick companies which is having good growth perspective, and it is a leader in the race. So in that way, if you do, your companies will always outperform, and you can easily outperform Nifty. So that is how I do. I basically pick companies which is doing well with respect to growth when you compare with the competitors. My perspective of market is pretty bullish. The Indian market has been underperforming for the like probably last 2 years. So all the other markets, the US market that's outperform किए है. in Indian market उतना perform नहीं किया है like पिछले 2 साल में. So it is bound to go up. But apart from that, like what you have to see is there are companies, if they are doing good, तो निफ्टी ऊपर नीचे जाने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So pick good companies, and if they're performing well and if their outlook is good, right? What happens is you don't have to worry about the market going down, up or down. Nifty is nothing but uh, grouping of 50 top companies of the Indian stock market. And my portfolio does not have any of the top 50 companies. It has got companies which is outside the Nifty 50, and they are the top leaders. So that's how you should pick your company, and you will be able to make a lot of money. Yeah, simple है. हर 2-3 साल में तुम्हारा पैसा डबल होना चाहिए. तो उस उस हिसाब से यू कैन पिक कंपनीज विच आर डूइंग गुड, एंड इफ यू गेट अ 26% CAGR, 3 साल में तुम्हारा पैसा डबल हो जाएगा. तो वो इन्वेस्टिंग भी एक क्रेजी कॉन्सेप्ट है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो डजंट रियली मैटर निफ्टी ऊपर जाएगा नीचे जाएगा, तुम्हारा कंपनी कैसा कर रहा है. दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन. इफ योर कंपनी इज डूइंग गुड, I can show you companies. Nifty जब नीचे भी जा रहा था, the companies are doing very good. So doesn't really matter. What is defense sector उतना ट्रैक नहीं करता लाइक सी डिफेंस सेक्टर एंड ऑल इज बेस्ड ऑन ग्लोबल न्यूज़ लाइक जिस तरह से ऑर्डर मिलता है लाइक से फॉर एग्जांपल एक वॉर आ गया लाइक यूक्रेन एंड या द इंडो पाकिस्तान वॉर दैट इज व्हेन द प्राइस गोस अप सो दैट इज डिपेंडेंट मोर ऑन द न्यूज़ एंड स्टफ बट यू लुक इनटू द अदर दिस थिंग से फॉर एग्जांपल अभी क्या सेक्टर्स में you have sectors like gold is doing good people गोल्ड का कभी डिमांड नहीं जाएगा सो इन्वेस्ट इन कंपनीज विच आर इनटू गोल्ड और you have companies where in FMCG wala sectors yeah clothing wala sectors there are companies that I have which is doing good. Then you have sectors like you have finance no, financial sectors finance का बहुत अच्छा है like I'm not talking about HDFC like I'm talking about companies like uh, what do they call they're into non-financial banking like company like Joe say for example just to take give a name not a recommendation like Bajaj Finance yeah all these things but Bajaj Finance doesn't grow as much as a company like an Arman Financial or so you have to take a bet like that you have to see the sectors which is doing good so the non-financial banking sector lending based businesses they are doing good so track those sectors so all the tailwinds are gone so now they are trying to recover and higher the sales growth better it is for the company so if it is better for the company your stocks definitely will go up so मैं वो लॉजिक यूज करता हूँ बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स है यू डोंट हैव टू गो सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक ईच हर एक सेक्टर में टॉप एक दो प्लेयर ले लो एंड दे विल मेक मनी फॉर यू again one more example in the paint sector you have Asian Paints which is the leading paint company but it is not making money it will not give you make it is growing at a very low pace so there's no money which can be made in Asian Paints but then there are other companies and the top players I think Syra or something can you analyze Geo Finance is good yaar उसका ब्लैक रॉक के साथ वो कोलैबोरेशन सब हो रहा है लाइक जियो इज अ गुड बेट but the thing is you shouldn't go like that you should go on the top players of a sector top players of an industry so that's how you can make a lot of money understand the business understand what they're doing understand what the competitors are doing and based on that you take a bet last year मैं क्या कर रहा था I used to invest in HDFC Kotak TCS Wipro no growth so you can't make money you'll make a small amount so first understand what they're into what the company does and based on that you can uh, pick the companies that you want to invest in jewelry sector and there's one more company which is from the clothing sector so they are more to do with showrooms and stuff and they grow their sales at probably around 50%. So if the company is doing that good with the competitors not doing it, so that means the market will reward them. So you make a lot of money. So I've made money like that. Yeah, just How is your investing journey being? Wow. 2021, 22, 23 एंड ऑल क्रेजी टाइम, सही टाइम था। तो उस टाइम पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया था। मेरे को भी सही प्रॉफिट मिला, अच्छा प्रॉफिट मिला। बट मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट थोड़ा छोटा था। तो अभी मैं लाइक ज़्यादा प्ले कर रहा हूँ। अभी मैं सीख गया लाइक मिस्टेक। 22 20 21 22 20s में क्या हुआ था कि एवरी कंपनी वाज डूइंग गुड। तो किसी भी कंपनी में पैसा डालो, पैसा बन जाता था। हम्म, हालांकि मैंने ये नया वाला जो स्ट्रैटेजी सब अप्लाई किया है, वो पिछले 6 महीने में है, और 6 महीने में मेरे को अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला। एंड इंडिया इज एन इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमी, तो ग्रोथ तो रहेगा ही। एंड इफ ग्रोथ इज देयर, सो ऑल दीज कंपनीज विल डू गुड। एनी ऑफ दिस सेक्टर्स यू टेक, दे गोइंग टू डेफिनेटली डू वेल। Zen टेक्नोलॉजीज, ओके। वाओ, 26 में लेके 2000 में, क्रेजी। 3200। ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में भी आ जाओ, अच्छा पैसा बनेगा हर रोज, पैसे जाएगा भी। टाइम फॉर वर्क, 3K is the profit. ऑप्शंस ट्रैक करो यार, इट हेल्प्स यू अंडरस्टैंड कि प्राइस मूवमेंट कैसा रहेगा, और एक स्टॉक का प्राइस कहाँ से सपोर्ट लेगा, कहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लेगा, कहाँ पे ट्रैप करेगा, ये सब पता चलेगा। लाइक हाउ यू मेंशन अबाउट द फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट, इट्स द सेम स्टफ। ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रेजिस्टेंस लेके नीचे आया था, तो इसको ब्रेक करेगा तो सेलर्स यहाँ से भाग जाएंगे। सो फिर ये लेवल टारगेट करेगा, ये लेवल टारगेट करेगा। तो वो है आज का फंडा, आज का कॉन्सेप्ट। सेम थिंग अप्लाइज टू द स्टॉक्स एज वेल। waiting for a spike. एक बाउंस तो देना चाहिए अभी तक. तो हमें तुमने कितना क्वांटिटीज लिया था जेन टेक्नोलॉजीज में? वाओ, 2000 क्वांटिटीज, सही है। मोमेंट ऑफ तो रिजेक्शन फेस कर रहा है। क्या हुआ, क्या हुआ? Getting onto my office call. I've never shared my channel details, and I had a few some people who got into the live, and I was like thinking, who is this? Anyways, let's see how the trade goes. I'll go on mute. I've got an office So the reason is I'm on an office call, official call, and I'm attending a meeting, and I'm also checking the straight. So that's why I go on mute and I come back to the call, and but that's how I normally trade, even during work. So the beauty is you have to take everything hand in hand and make sure the work is not affecting your trading, trading is not affecting your work. So it's all about work-life balance, isn't it? So, anyways, so my profits are running at around 1,500. And weirdly, today I had a few people who are coming and joining my live session, and I don't know what to say. My whole intention is not to have subscribers, not to have people watching me. I just want to come have fun doing nothing but trading and talking all crap and nonsense. And I have people asking me questions. It's okay. It's fun. Some different perspective, but I'm always there to help. If anybody needs any advice, be it trading, be it anything. Okay, I'll get back to my work. I mean, call. Okay. Market is just playing around. I'm still running at a profit of 1,800, probably after 1.5 hours, 1 hour, 14 minutes of the trade. I did make a profit of around 4,000 rupees. Didn't exit the trade. I'm looking for a bigger, slightly bigger move. 5,000 is my target. I, anyways, have reached 5,000, but I didn't exit, and the market is just playing around. I don't know whether it's going to go up or we might get a good spike. Hoping for a spike. Let's see. And meanwhile, I got into my calls, I completed one of the calls, I'm documenting stuff, and I'm also trading. This is how you manage multiple things. Anyways, let the trade go on. Profit running at still 2,000 bucks. Crazy. I don't know what's happening to the market. Okay, the profit's back to around 2,600. Expecting a good spike now and a bounce. Let's see. It's been a long trade, but that's how the market is. So normally my trades are probably for 15 to 30 minutes, but today I don't know, it went on for a long time. So now what's happening is when the market was not going up and the price was coming down, there's a lot of sellers who would have shorted the market. Now when the market is going up, so they will be in a loss, so they will exit the position. So once they exit the position, my profit will increase. Right now I'm running at a profit of around 3,000 bucks, so I'm expecting a bounce till 268, so which will be super awesome. Even this is awesome. 3,400, 3,800, 3,600. So this is the resistance that I was talking about. 3.5. Isn't it good? And why didn't I leave the trade and exit? Because I knew the market. This is how the market will trap. This is how the market will confuse people. This is how the market works. It works on trap. It works on showing you different things. So the market showed weakness, but that is my conviction to stay in the trade to make a lot of money. You need to have that conviction. You need to be confident about your thought process, confident about your trades. You need to be focused. You need to be backing up your skills. You need it's everything is a thought process. It doesn't come all of a sudden. It comes with conviction. It comes with the mindset to accept when you're like not doing good. It's not you're not doing good, and if you're doing good, back your trade plan. So I wanted so much. I'm running at a profit of 3,600. I can get a good spike here, so it'll be awesome. I'm waiting for that spike. Now the profit is around 3,600, 3,000. Total considers okay. And after that, if I'm not able to make money, I'm not able to make money. That's there's nothing that I can do about it. But stick to your trades, stick to your plan. This is what your conviction is. Stick to that. If the market goes in opposite direction, there's nothing much that you can do. But the key is be constant. That's what I've been doing. So let's see. Now I have 3,300 rupees as the profit in this particular trade. So I'm wearing a. Let us see how it goes. Ideally, it has to go up. Let's see. And break the resistance, go to 268. Another 10 points is what I'm looking out for. So I'll be happy with the trade. So my profit is around 3,600, 3,700. You can keep looking at this portion, 3,800. One spike is all I'm looking out for. 3,700, 3,800. 3,800, 3,900. Go baby, cross 4,000 bucks. It's been a long trade. I've been on the live stream for 1 hour 22 minutes. And why I come on the live is so that I take my trades accordingly. Uh, Waiting for a good spike. 3,900. 4,000. 4,200. This is crazy. Oh God. I don't know. Oh God. It has to go up. There's no two way. If it market has to come down, it'll come down from this level. I think I'll exit the trade. I've exited my position. I don't know what is my profit. Let's see. I think some 3,800 or some stuff. Go to my position 3,500. I'm disappointed, but it's okay. Part and parcel of the game. At least we didn't make loss, and the market went in the direction that I wanted. So that's fine. But I was expecting a good move. Definitely, the market will go up, but then I didn't want to again risk a lot of time and money. It's taken almost 1 hour, 1.5 hours for this trade, and the market is going up now. But that's okay. Part and parcel of the game. On that note, uh, let's see how long this trade took. So this is the trade that I've taken, 10:45 to 12 o'clock. Crazy, insane. This is the chart. Now it is going up. See, that's okay. Part and parcel of the game. But all we need to do is enter a good trade, make money below my expectation. But normally I've been making money. Yesterday I made 10,000 bucks. So today 3,500. That's fine. So, anyways, I have other things to do. I have to get back to my work. On that note, Shabakir Shubratri, do whatever you want.